Writing, along with reading and speaking, is one of the fundamental abilities that each of us must have in order to advance in life and progress in all of our activities for the rest of our lives. Writing is also one of the primary pillars in having discussions with everyone that we know. I'm sure you write every day, whether it's to jot down some ideas, make tiny reminders, or simply write for fun. You'll be happy after watching today's video because you'll learn that you can make money with the most basic skill of writing. You might be thinking that this strategy will be difficult. After all, you've probably seen money-making tactics that ask you to write things in exchange for money, and some of those may involve complicated writing projects that need prior knowledge or technical skills. However, you have no reason to be concerned because this method is specifically designed for beginners like you who are just starting out on the road to financial freedom and success. That's right, you'll only need yourself, your smartphone, and an internet connection. What's more amazing is that you can earn money with any device that can connect to the internet, and you can start making money right now. Just stay put and watch this video completely, taking notes on every second since this video will contain everything you need to fully execute this method and earn lots of money quickly. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, before we get into the main website, there's something I'd like to point out. You'll be thrilled to learn that this method is completely free. It'll never require you to make any type of investment, so whatever you earn will be pure profit. Also, since everything is so transparent, you can be sure that there are no hidden charges. Now, this process is gonna be quite long, but overall very simple. Some of you may find things a bit confusing, but that's exactly why you should watch every single second of the video, and besides, I'll be right here by your side because I'm gonna teach you how to make money with this awesome website called Capterra. Capterra is a platform that helps business owners choose the perfect programs for their company. They can compare alternatives, find good programs, and even read reviews about how software helps individuals all over the world. Now, before I tell you what you'll be doing, let's take a look around the website to get a sense of what they're all about. So, Capterra is the world's largest software reviews and selection platform with the most comprehensive source research on the internet. They're also proud to offer 1 million verified software reviews that help business owners, and it's all completely free. So what exactly are you gonna do with Capterra? You're not a business owner and you're not looking for software to help you grow your business or use it in any way. Now that you know that Capterra is the world's leading platform for business owners to find reviews and compare software programs to determine which is ideal for them, you'll be one of the people who submits reviews to the site to help those business owners. Simply craft a write-up where you may offer your own thoughts regarding the specific software and simply air out your thoughts as to how the software helped you in your own way. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but for now, click this area right here on the upper left portion of the website that says Software Categories. Once you do that, you'll see this tiny interface and you should select this button that says Browse All Categories. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can browse the wide range of software categories featured right here on Capterra. The categories are alphabetically organized, so feel free to scroll down and browse the entire list to find the software category that you want to write a review on. This is, however, a time-consuming process. There are at least 100 categories here, so it'll take you a long time to figure out what is best for you. With that, I want you to turn your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the text Write a Review. Click on it and it'll take you to this page, which will start the journey of what you'll be doing for today's method. This page lists all of the software programs that you can review today, and that will be your main task. The programs are already sorted by popularity, so you can find the most popular ones right here. I'm sure you're all familiar with the majority of these programs, so feel free to browse and browse some more to find the perfect software to pursue. Some of the programs include Zoom, Asana, Viber, WebEx, Canvas, Project Center, and many more. You can even load more products by clicking on this gray button here that says See More Products, but this page will suffice, so go ahead and select the program you want to review. Let's try out Viber for this video because it's quite popular among users and I personally enjoy Viber, so I'm sure my review will be good. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Since we want to write a review on Viber, let's click on that right now. After that, we'll be sent to this website where we can begin working on our own review for the selected platform. Simply fill in all of the relevant information about yourself, such as your first name, last name, email address, job title, organization, name industry, company size, and all the time you spent using the program on the first page of the review form. For the job industry, I strongly advise you to pick this option right here for computer software. Just press this arrow down button and it'll toggle this wide array of job industries to choose from. You should select computer software since the work is fully based in that field. When your review shows that you are knowledgeable about computer software, you'll be considered a trustworthy user, paving the way for you to have a published review which will result in extra money. As for this question about how long you've used the software, I suggest choosing 6 to 12 months or the options below that include additional years. Basically, the more time you spend on Viber, the more trustworthy your opinion becomes. The following questions will be simple enough for you to answer on your own, but for this one, which asks what your position is, you should select I am a user. Once you've completed the first page, click the next button in the lower right corner to proceed to the next. This page will be real simple because all you have to do is give your own ratings to certain Viber services and features. If you want to write a positive review, you should only give stars in the top range, about 7. When you're done, click the next button to get to the third and final page. The last page will contain your whole review. The first thing you must write is the title, which can be anything like My Viber Review, or you can be even more creative and create your own title. After that, simply answer all of the questions here about the software's pros and cons, as well as your overall experience with it. The pros will be all of the excellent things about Viber, while the cons will be the things you don't like about Viber or something that needs to be improved. Finally, what business difficulties are you solving using Viber is followed by the overall experience. This is also where you can describe how you used Viber and how it worked for you. Simply answer these next questions and then hit that submit button. Your review is now up for consideration, and once it's posted, which I'm sure it'll be, that's the mark that you can now make money just by following those simple steps. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.